tell by looking at it, yeah, that this is the only thing that's holding the front bumper up. But the shock absorber, it pretty much it was the front bumper connects to, and it helpful, you know, whenever you have a wreck or anything like that. So, you know, I'm gonna be replacing it because the one on here now is broke. And as you can see, the whole bumper just moved and ain't sitting up like it's supposed to. The headlight ain't sitting in there right or nothing like that. So I'm gonna replace that. Hopefully replacing the shock absorber should have everything sitting back up right like it's supposed to. I wanna repaint this front bumper, or I might just end up ordering a new one. It's kind of messed up too. It need to be repainted and all this. So I might end up buying a new one, or I might just repaint it and try to fix it myself. But as you can see, the only thing he got holding the front bumper, or he had holding the front bumper, was this speaker wire. He had zip tie right here. So hopefully I might replace that. I might, you know, have to give me some more screws. I don't know, I'm about to see. But this the shock absorber right here. It just came in Friday. I ain't taken out the box yet. I just came out here to the country. So hopefully it shouldn't take long. I ordered off of Amazon. It was like I say around about one something. It was 180 something, I think. What's the one? Yeah, around about like so it was about like 140, 180. It was one on, but it's it. Part number for it. You want to buy it for yourself. And to take the front bumper off, since I don't got any screws up there in the front of it no more, it's like it's like 2 screws. They're holding this bumper in. If I can show it to y'all. But it's this one and it's that one. Got one on both sides, and it just holds the bumper in place. So once you take those out, they should come out, because I don't got ain't no wall landing right here, so I ain't got to worry about taking those out just to get to it. You will need to change or turn your wheel. Get my key. You will need to turn your wheel just to get to it though. I ain't been out here in a minute, but it should start up though. See, I need to get the inside cleaned out too. They're gonna be next on my bucket list after I get some more wheels to put on. As you see, it starts right up. And I changed out the valve cover, gasket, spark plugs, and all that. But it started up though. Start up with no problem now. I'm just working on everything one at a time. One at a time. Oh shit, y'all. Turn down wheel. Yeah, y'all working on everything one at a time. One at a time. Look at, see how it look. look up, I'm gonna need me some more screws. But it goes up there like this. That's how it goes. It goes up like that. So I'm about to take this bump off right quick so I can take the old one off. Well, now I'll take that back, y'all. It still got the screws for that screw. That screw's still there. So I might not need any screws. So we'll see. Alright, so when once you take that first bolt out and you go to the second one and you take the second bolt off of there, you push it back and go down with it. Like a little slide that it sit off in. This right here. So when you do it, so it'll be sitting like this. So what you do, you push it back and come down with it, and it'll come straight out. Or you can just take it off of there, or you just take it off that boat, like I did. It wasn't the right way, but you know, it worked too. I just did that side, now they come over and do this side the same way. And for the boat that's on there, it's a 10 millimeter. So once you get that screwed, just unhook your fall light if you got any. Do it just twist. Which way go? This way. And that way with it. That way. And just pull it out. And if you got a zip tie on there, like man, you know, cut your zip tie or whatever holding it in. Yeah, that shit come straight off. There you have it. Front bumper is off. So as you see, that piece right here broke off and everything. A lot of it gone. A lot of it is gone. Come on. And by the look of it, the only thing that holds the shock absorber in there is this piece right here, this bracket. And there was the old, oh, that broke off around it. But it's still on here though. So I'm thinking those might be a 10 millimeter. We got 4 bolts. Just take those out. You need to take the side ones off. You know, they are 10. So use a 10, take those off. When you take those off, you get your new one. Same bolts where you took out, use them to replace it and put it back up there. It's a new one compared to the old one. This new one got everything there on top of it it's supposed to have. The old one just fucked up. Like fucked up. So let me put the new one on right quick. You know, I'm gonna put the bumper back on. All right, guys, looks like I'm gonna have to take my headlight out too, so you can sit up on top of there. So you can see the headlight in the right. See this piece. So when they ordered, I came in, I ain't noticed it at first, but they had it like this. So when you put it in there, you got to fold this up like that to go up on them. So the headlight is only 6 or 5, I think. 6 or 5 to hold us in. And let's see. I think. Okay, so it's a 7. It's a 7 that hold that in, the headlight in. So you just take that screw out and it should come straight out. Then you have these on the side that folks go up in them, but I ain't got that, so. Okay guys, I just found out that you will have 4 bolts, well, 6. If yours ain't broke, if ain't nothing wrong with your shock absorber, you will have 6 bolts. You will have 2 right here on this side, on the pedal side. When you come on across, you will have 2 on that side. The top one is a 7mm, the bottom is a 10, and then you will have 2 at the top. You're gonna have 1 right here, that's a 10, and you're gonna have 1 on this side, that's a 10. So when you're ready to take it out, just make sure you take those off. All right, guys, and then that's it. That's how you put the new shock absorber on. I almost failed. But that's the new one. That's how it's supposed to look. So when you do it, these are the 4 bolts I was talking about that you would need. This one goes right here. There's 2. And you come over right here. There's 3. There's 4. And then you must have your 2 at the top. That'll be 1. That'll be 2. And that'll be it. Oh yeah, and the little bracket, the 2 that hold the bracket in. That one and that one. And that'll be it. And I say that you have to take your headlights out because this little piece right here will hold the headlight so it can sit off in the right. Yeah. Oh yeah, and this piece, it goes like this. Look, wrong way, my bad. It goes like this. It sits right there, and you just have a clamp. It could be one like this, or whichever one that you get for it. If you don't have any, you can just put it off in there. And that's it. I don't got another one put on this side, so that's it right there. Stop your bumper from moving. You just hold it right there in place. And that's it. I'm about to grab, put the bumper back on. That'll be it. That's it. Guys, there we have it. The bumper been put back on. It ain't sagging no more. Headlights fit in there perfectly now. It's an easy job. There you go. All done there. Thank y'all for looking at the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.